Welcome to SpaceVerse, your gateway to the cosmos, where science and wonder collide. Embark on an exhilarating journey through the universe with a channel that merges breathtaking visuals and cutting-edge space exploration. Today we will be discussing the 12 lies that we're told about space. So subscribe now to join our community of space enthusiasts and dive into a world where the mysteries of the cosmos unfold before your eyes. Let's explore the universe together. This is SpaceVerse. Number 1. Black holes drawing everything around them. Contrary to popular belief, black holes do not indiscriminately pull everything into their void. Their gravitational pull is immense, but black holes function more like sinkholes than cosmic vacuum cleaners. If one were to approach too closely, the gravitational forces would lead to a phenomenon known as spaghettification, where an object gets stretched and lost within the black hole. However, maintaining a safe distance ensures that even if our sun were replaced by a black hole of similar mass, the planets would continue their orbits, plunging the solar system into darkness. Number 2. The moon has a dark side. Dispelling the notion of a permanent dark side, the moon is illuminated on all sides by sunlight. The misconception arises because the moon is tidally locked to Earth, meaning it rotates on its axis at the same rate it orbits our planet. This results in the same side always facing Earth, giving the impression of a hidden, dark side. Number 3. Nuking an asteroid is a great idea. Nuking an asteroid may initially seem like a viable solution, but the reality is quite different. If a sizable asteroid is hurtling toward Earth, the instinct might be to use a nuclear bomb to divert it. However, this approach is flawed because the explosive force would fragment the asteroid into countless smaller pieces, each still posing a threat of impact. Instead, a strategic alternative involves detonating a nuclear device in close proximity to the asteroid, altering its trajectory and ensuring our planet's safety. While this is a potential solution, it's crucial to recognize that safeguarding Earth involves more than just space-based interventions. Recent setbacks, such as the Supreme Court curtailing the Environmental Protection Agency's authority over water pollution, underscore the importance of addressing terrestrial environmental concerns. Number 4. Saturn is the only ringed planet in the solar system. Saturn stands alone as the sole ringed planet in our solar system. When you envision planets adorned with rings, it's likely that Saturn is the only one that comes to mind. However, there's a fascinating revelation. 3 other planets, namely Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune, which possess their own ring systems. These rings, although existing, are considerably thinner and nearly imperceptible from Earth. It wasn't until the voyages of Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 in the 1970s and 80s that we discovered these subtle rings. There's an intriguing theory among some scientists that Earth over 4.5 billion years ago may have also experienced a ring system. This hypothetical scenario suggests that a Mars-sized planet colliding with our young Earth ejected enough debris to momentarily form a small ring around our planet. Number 5. You grow taller in space. Dispelling a prevalent misconception, space travel doesn't result in an increase in height. While it's true that astronauts can temporarily grow up to 5 centimeters in the weightlessness of space due to the absence of Earth's gravitational pull, this effect is short-lived. Upon returning to Earth, the spine's vertebrae contract back to their original state, restoring individuals to their regular height. This phenomenon serves as a testament to the influence of Earth's gravity on the human body. Number 6. You age slower in space. Similarly, the idea that space travel slows down aging is debunked by the concept of time dilation proposed by Albert Einstein. While time dilation is a real effect observed at high speeds, the minimal velocity achieved with current space travel technology has an insignificant impact on the aging process. Contrary to popular belief, astronauts do not experience a significant time difference, and the notion of de-aging through space travel remains a theoretical scenario rather than a practical reality. Number 7. You can't cry in space, addressing an interesting facet of life in space. It is indeed possible to cry without the familiar downward flow of tears. In microgravity, tears form into watery blobs that adhere to the eyes, potentially obstructing vision if excessive crying occurs. Although crying in space is feasible, the absence of gravity alters the typical dynamics, presenting unique challenges in maintaining visibility. In conclusion, Exploring the truths behind common space-related misconceptions provides a deeper understanding of the complexities involved in celestial phenomena and space exploration. Number 8. You can see stars from the moon. Contrary to the common belief that stars are visible from the moon, astronauts who have ventured there reveal a different experience. While standing on Earth allows for the breathtaking sight of thousands of stars in the night sky, the lunar landscape offers a more subdued view. This discrepancy arises from the moon's highly reflective surface, intensifying the brightness and hindering the visibility of stars. Stargazing from the moon is akin to attempting it in a brightly lit city with significant light pollution, necessitating further space exploration for clearer cosmic views. Number 9. Martian dust storms destroy equipment. Martian dust storms, while undeniably troublesome, do not possess the ability to physically damage equipment stationed on the Martian surface. These storms are characterized by extremely fine dust particles that can infiltrate various spaces, and they have been known to persist for months. However, the key point to understand is that the Martian atmosphere is exceptionally thin, comprising only about 1% of Earth's atmosphere. Consequently, even though these dust particles may move at speeds of approximately 100 km per hour, they lack the force to inflict significant damage without the presence of a denser medium such as air. Instead, their impact typically results in the accumulation of dust on solar panels, necessitating the initiation of power-saving measures like hibernation. Furthermore, inhaling Martian dust is ill-advised, as its long-term effects on human lungs remain uncertain. Number 10. Stars twinkle. The notion that stars twinkle is a widely held misconception perpetuated by the famous children's song, "Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star." In reality, stars do not twinkle. This perceived twinkling effect is purely an optical illusion caused by the Earth's atmosphere. Stars emit a constant and steady light. However, as starlight passes through the Earth's atmosphere, it interacts with gas molecules, causing minor deviations in the path of the light. These minuscule deflections create the illusion of twinkling when observed from the surface of our planet. Number 11. The asteroid belt is full of asteroids. Contrary to cinematic portrayals, asteroid belts are not dense, perilous minefields of closely packed rocks. The common depiction of spaceships navigating through a chaotic asteroid field is a Hollywood invention. In actuality, asteroid belts are characterized by vast expanses of space between individual asteroids. For instance, within the asteroid belt located between Jupiter and Mars, the distance between each asteroid measures several million kilometers. The likelihood of a collision in such an environment is exceedingly low, with odds estimated at approximately 1 in 1 billion. Therefore, the dramatic asteroid field scenarios seen in movies such as The Empire Strikes Back diverge significantly from the reality of our solar system. Number 12. The Great Wall of China is visible from space. The belief that the Great Wall of China is visible from space is a pervasive myth that needs debunking. While it is occasionally claimed that the Great Wall is the sole man-made structure visible from space, this assertion is not accurate. While it might be possible to discern the Great Wall through the lens of a camera with substantial zoom capabilities, it remains nearly imperceptible to the naked eye. The wall's width ranges from 5 to 10 meters, rendering it too narrow to be visible from space without specialized equipment. Nevertheless, astronauts aboard spacecraft have the opportunity to observe various other man-made structures, such as dams, bridges, pyramids, and the luminous cityscapes of Earth during the night. These cosmic vistas provide captivating insights into our planet's dynamic features. Furthermore, this discussion only scratches the surface of space-related myths, as there are many more intriguing misconceptions to explore in the realm of space science and exploration. And that concludes our Cosmic Adventure Explorers. If you enjoyed diving into the wonders of space with SpaceVerse, don't forget to hit that like button, share this journey with your fellow space enthusiasts, and subscribe to stay updated on all things cosmic. Your engagement fuels our exploration, and together, we'll continue unraveling the mysteries of the universe. Thanks for being part of the SpaceVerse family. Until our next cosmic rendezvous, keep looking up, stay curious, and remember, the universe is vast, and so is our potential to discover. See you on the next cosmic voyage.